In this guide, I'm going to walk you through the process of changing your Google Workspace payment plan to an annual plan. This adjustment is simple, and once you understand the steps, you'll be able to manage your billing settings confidently at any time. Switching to an annual plan can also help you save money and simplify budgeting, making it a practical choice for many organizations. To begin, open your browser and head over to Google Workspace. This is the central platform where you manage all administrative and billing settings for your account. Make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account, specifically the one that currently holds your Workspace subscription. If you use multiple Google accounts, double check that you're selecting the right one to avoid any unnecessary confusion. Enter your login details when prompted and continue to the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice an icon shaped like a grid of small dots. This is the Google Apps menu, your access point to all Google tools and administrative areas. Click on the icon and select the Admin Console from the list. The Admin Console is the command center of Google Workspace, giving you access to user management, security settings, device controls, and most importantly for this guide, billing options. After entering the Admin Console, look for the Billing section on the left side menu. This area deals with everything related to your payments and subscriptions. Click on Billing and then select Subscriptions. Here, you'll see the list of active services associated with your Workspace account. Locate the Google Workspace subscription that you want to modify and open its settings. Inside your subscription settings, find the option labeled Change Payment Plan. Clicking on this will bring up the available billing options. Since you're switching to an annual plan, select the yearly billing option from the choices presented. Before confirming anything, make sure to review the pricing details so you're fully aware of the annual cost and any benefits associated with the change. This helps you avoid surprises and ensures you understand exactly what you're committing to. Next, you'll be asked to confirm the number of users included in your plan. This step is important because the total cost of your annual subscription is based on the number of active users you manage. Take a moment to verify that the user count is accurate. If you need to adjust the number, you can do so at this stage before finalizing the update. Once everything looks correct, your plan type, pricing, and user count, you can continue by clicking on Checkout. This action finalizes your transition to the annual billing cycle. After confirming, your Workspace subscription will now be billed once per year instead of monthly, giving you a more streamlined and predictable payment schedule. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully updated your Google Workspace payment plan to an annual plan. This change not only simplifies your billing management, but may also offer long-term savings. If you ever need help or run into any issues, Google's support resources are always available to assist you further.